Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain random forest. So first of all, let's understand what is random forest. Random forest is a popular machine learning algorithm which is used for classification and regression problem. It is basically on the concept of combining multiple models to improve accuracy. And random forest is a ensemble learning method. Ensemble means combining multiple models to get better results. Instead of relying on a single model, random forest create models and combining their outputs together. The basic idea behind random forest is very simple. Instead of building just one decision tree, it builds multiple decision tree and each tree makes its own prediction. Then the final result is decided by combining all those predictions. Now let's understand this diagram which explains how random forest work step by step. So as you can see, at the top we can see a basket of fruit labeled as instance. This represents a new data points or input data we want to classify. For example, we want to decide whether this input belongs to class A or class B. So below that we can see multiple decision trees, that is tree 1, tree 2 and so on till the tree n. This shows that the random forest does not rely on just one tree. Instead, it creates many decision trees and each tree analyzes the input independently. And because of each tree, it trains on different data and features, and this may give different predictions. Now you observe carefully. Tree 1 predicts class A, tree 2 also predicts class A, but tree n predicts class B. So each tree gives its own opinion based on what it has learned. So after that, all these predictions go into the majority voting steps, which is showing in the middle. Here the algorithm counts how many trees predict class A and how many predicts class B. So the class with the highest number of votes win. And the final output, at the bottom we can see the final class, which is the result after majority voting. In this case, since most trees predict class A, the final output is also class A. And the key idea here is that even if some trees make a wrong prediction, the majority of trees usually give the correct result. And this is why the random forest is more accurate and reliable than a single decision tree. Random forest work in the following steps. First step is a bootstrap sampling. In this, random samples are taken from the dataset. For example, dataset has 100 rows and each tree may use 70 to 80 random rows. And this process is called bagging and also called bootstrap aggregation. And the next step is build decision trees. Each random sample is used to create a decision tree. While building the trees, only a random subset of feature is considered. For example, features like age, salary, education and experience. So random forest may choose age and experience. Next step is make prediction. In this, each decision tree gives its own prediction. For example, classification, like tree 1 gives S, tree 2 gives S, and T3 gives no, and T4 gives S, like that. Fourth is majority voting. In this, the final prediction is based on majority vote. For example, S is majority 3 and no is 1. So final prediction is S, like that. So the random forest is an ensemble machine learning algorithm that combines multiple decision trees to improve predictions and accuracy and reduce overfitting. So this is random forest. Thank you.